Namaste everybody, this is Sri Akarshana here, and today I'd like to personally invite you to join our Body Confidence Masterclass, especially geared towards women. And the reason why we've decided to put this masterclass together is because after the past couple of years reaching out to over 55 million people around the world, we found that a lot of the things that are holding women back from achieving their fullest potential to manifesting or getting the goals they desire is the lack of confidence. And a lot of it has to do with body confidence. And we always say when we do our teachings, body, mind, and spirit connection. Because when our body changes, the energy flow changes, the way we are changes, the mind changes, then the spirit changes. So there we can also talk about spiritual powers. So in this masterclass, I'll be sharing with you 3 secrets, and some of which is what I learned from my master, Grandmaster Aksha, to learn how to not just change the physical, not just through diet and exercise, but how to actually change the mindset and the approach towards it so that you can actually feel confident in this shell, right? Think about it a second. If you could have unlimited amount of confidence, if you could just go out there, you could feel good in every single moment, in every opportunity, no matter the people you meet, no matter if it's a job interview, in your workplace. Imagine having that energy where you walk into that room and you just feel powerful. You feel that self-love from within, because what you feel from within, your inner world, equals your outer world. So I'm extremely excited to run this masterclass for the first time because I believe that today is the age of female empowerment. It's time where females come together with these divine feminine energies to rise together. So I'd like to help you unlock those energies and unlock that potential for you to reach your biggest goals and dreams and desires. So all you need to do is just click on the button or link around this video and register your space, and I look forward to seeing you on the masterclass. Love and prayers for all of you. Namaste.